In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to delete every content on your TikTok profile. Do you understand? How to delete all the videos or the posts on your TikTok profile. So for you to do this, let's go to our TikTok. For you to do this is very simple. So once on your TikTok like this, and by the way, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chino. So and right here, I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So now proceed to your profile. You can see my profile right here, and I have about 4 posts on my profile. So assuming I want to delete all this at once, there are 2 ways to go about it. The first way, which is the stressful way, which you might not want to go through. Peradventure you are about to delete about 100 or 50 pictures or 50 videos. That will take a lot of time, which is you deleting them one by one by tapping on the video, clicking on these 3 dots right here, then swiping this to the left and clicking on delete right here. Whereby you do them one by one. But like I said, if you are deleting a lot of content, it might take you a lot of time to do that. So to save your time and do this faster, let me show you the simple way to go about that. So once you're on your profile, click on this hamburger icon up here. Once you click on that, come down to where we have setting and privacy. So once you click on setting and privacy, so you have to scroll down till where you find activity center. Do you understand? I think I've passed that. Okay, here is it here, activity center. So once you click on activity center, right here, just look for where you have manage post visibility. Can you see it right there? So once you click on manage post visibility, then right here you get to see all the posts on your profile. So over here you have to select all those posts you want to delete, all those posts you don't want to show on your profile again. So assuming I want to delete everything, then I'll go ahead and select everything. Once I select everything, I'll proceed and click on next. Then right here we have everyone, we have friends, we have only you. So you want to choose only you. So once you click on only you, it means henceforth nobody will see this post on your profile again. Do you understand? So let's click on updates so you get to see what I'm saying. So I just clicked on updates. Can you see? So let's go back and see what we've done. Can you see? Nothing is showing on our profile again. Like we literally deleted everything once. Can you see that? And that is basically how you go about deleting every post on your profile. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.